are doing a tutorial with the Revolution x Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Jack palette. Looks like this. Cute, cute packaging. Very thick, I will say that. But the inside looks like this. You have so many shades in there. The box looks like so. And this is an eyeshadow palette. I thought it was a pressed pigment palette, but it is not. Right on it, it says eyeshadow palette. I picked this up at Ulta, and if you guys are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting here. I want you guys to see everything. I want you to see true to color. If I'm putting a blue on my eyes, you guys at home, if you have it, you're going to see the same blue. With lights, it kind of distorts everything. It can make things brighter, changes everything. So no ring lights for me, nothing like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you haven't already, I hope you push that subscribe button and let's hop in. Okay, let's see what kind of look we want to do. There are a lot of shimmers in this, so let's just do a few swatches. They feel pressed pretty hard. Some of them are softer than others, so take that one into consideration. This one's very soft. That one's hard. I had to really push down hard with my finger. Same with that one. So they're okay. That's about all I'm gonna say. Let's do a couple swatches of our darker colors here. Like this one feels very hard. Like you can see that blue, you might need to do some work on it. But these are gorgeous. That silver is so pretty. We're gonna start out with this guy right here. There is a bit of shimmer in that, but I think it is supposed to be more matte. So we're gonna try it as a matte. We're gonna put it right in the crease. Very pigmented, like very pigmented. And then start to blend and buff this out. You do not need much of this shade. Holy moly. The mattes, especially from this one, that's a very hard color to do. I think we might have a good go with the mattes. The shimmers, I think that's where you might be a little more disappointed, simply because they're so-so. I'm gonna grab a bit of this one right here and go right along our edges. There's really not a lot of transitions in this, like at all. So I'm gonna grab that guy and stick it right above everything else and kind of right with it too. Just get it all blended together. I feel like there's something missing right here. I'm not quite sure what it is. I don't know. Okay, we are gonna take this one and we're gonna put it on the lid because why not? I think with some of these shades, you will have some staining on the lids. This reddish color may even stain my lids. But I'm trying to do a more wearable look. I don't want to go over the top. I want something that you can kind of wear anywhere. I know this is a Halloween palette, but I still want to try to do a wearable look. Is this only going to be good for Halloween? Maybe. I mean, it's got a lot of colors. But I want something that's going to be good all the time. All right, I'm going to leave that outer corner bare. We're going to hop over to this guy. We're going to go to Jack's house. And we're going to put this on the outer corner. So I'm just kind of moving it up and then over. I want this to almost be a little rounded out. Yeah, I like that a lot better. I'm gonna grab a tiny pencil brush and go back in with the first shade that we used and just intensify it a little bit more. And then just lightly, somewhat blend. I'm really just trying to move it a little bit. But like I said, with this shade, you do not need much. I'm gonna grab Pumpkin Song one more time. Yes, this is more of what I wanted. So here's what we've got. I'm going to go off camera, do this eye and the face, throw on some lashes, and we'll be right back. Okay, lovelies, lower lash. I've already got this one done. I don't know, I just wanted something dark. I'm not sure. So we're gonna take this one. Let me see, can you see that? This one and then this one. The first darker one I have on a small pencil brush and I want to run it really tight. About 3/4 of the way in. I'm going to take a fatter pencil brush like this guy with the other dark brown but not as dark. I'm going to run that one all the way from inner corner to outer corner. And I did put black on the lower waterline all the way across. And let me put some mascara on the lower lash and then we'll talk about this palette. I lied, we need to do an inner corner highlight. So let's do this guy and stick that right. Oh yeah, much better. Right on the inner corner. That pops like crazy. Okay, let's talk about this palette. It's more like a book. You guys see, I hate the thickness of it. I think it's really thick. Maybe travel friendly where it is so thick, but it's just thick, clunky. You know, to take it somewhere, it's gonna take up a lot of space. But with that in mind, you do have a ton of shimmers in here, all different colors. Like all these are shimmers. This whole side, you only have 4 to 5 mattes. This orange does have shimmer in it, but you might be able to use it as a matte. All right, and on this side, I think you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mattes. I should have used this one. That's such a pretty color. I don't know why. It's like I didn't even see it over there. But these are beautiful. I think the mattes really blended out beautifully. The shimmers that I used performed really well on the eye. These I'm not going to have a lot of use for. I might use a few of them, but at least they are there. You have the option. I do like this palette. I love the way this look turned out. So, I mean, if you love The Nightmare Before Christmas, you're going to want to pick this up anyway, and I think it does work really well. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.